And he mentioned that in using other competitors' products, that it takes about twice as much of the product. So he really likes Quik-Gel. He really likes the Baroid product. Saves him time, saves him money, and just essentially because he uses less product.
SupplyWise Podcast.
Hello and welcome to SupplyWise, the what and why for residential, commercial, and industrial building supply. I'm your host, Andrew Stevens of Mountain Land Supply. Today we're here on location in our Nephi warehouse, which is about pumps and drilling and all that kind of stuff. And I'm here with Jim Winkier, our pump specialist with our pump division. How's it going?
It's going great, man. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, it's good to have you on. So today we're going to be talking about from Baroid Drilling Products, Quik-Gel, which we have right here behind us. We're not trying to subliminally message you or anything like that if you're watching the video. Check out the video on youtube.com/mountainlandsupply. We aren't trying to subliminally message you, but you should probably buy this product. And Jim's here to tell us why. This is a viscosifier used in drilling.
Yes.
So what does that do for people who may not know?
Well, there's a couple different types of drilling when they drill for water wells. We've got cable tooling where they just pound a casing into the ground, and then you got rotary drilling, which actually drills a hole. When they do rotary drilling, they can drill with air, which is lifting the cuttings out with air, foam, where that foam will lift those cuttings out. Or sometimes we run into some issues when they're drilling, and the side of the well might start to cave in a little bit. Mm-hmm. Then they'll switch over to Quik-Gel. Which increases the viscosity of the drilling liquids, which is basically water, and makes a mud. So it'll create a cake wall on the outside of the borehole,
Mm-hmm.
and to keep it from sloughing off and to shore that up.
Right. Great. So that makes sure that, you're keeping your borehole clean. So that way
Keeping
it's
it
not
open, yep,
keeping it open and clean. So that way if you're it's not caving in on you again, and it's also making sure that you can get tools and such down
Exactly.
into
So
your hole.
if you can imagine, you've got you're drilling your water well, and you get down there several hundred feet maybe, and it caves in on top of the bit. There's a good chance we're probably not going to get that bit back out,
Mm-hmm.
and that's a big loss of not only tooling but just the cost involved with that.
Mm-hmm.
So this product will help us shore that up to prevent that from happening.
Great. So if you didn't know what a viscosifier is, now you know. And if you do, that's why you got to use this product to make sure you don't lose your bits. So why Quik-Gel over other viscosifiers? There are others out there on the market. So
There are several other competitive products for this product, but just recently I was down at the Utah Groundwater Show, and I talked to a driller down there, Jeremy Anzalone from Anzalone Anzalone Drilling,
Mm-hmm.
and he mentioned that in using other competitors' products, that it takes about twice as much of the product. So he really likes Quik-Gel. He really likes the Baroid product. Saves him time, saves him money, and just essentially because he uses less product.
Right. Yeah. So you're saving time and money, which, of course, if you're saving time, you are saving money, but you're also saving money on the product as
Exactly.
well. And that's all time and money that can be reinvested back into your business. Maybe you can actually get home for dinner on time once.
There you go.
So your family's not sitting there waiting for you.
Yep.
But yeah, it helps cut down all that. Like you said, half of the product that he's using. So,
Yes.
all those kinds of costs.
Saves time,
are
saves
reduced.
money. A lot of those drillers will like to trip out, get their tools out every night so they're not leaving the bits in the hole. And when they do that, they come back, and then the next morning it's nice to see that the hole's still open.
Okay. Awesome. Well, thanks for coming on, Jimmy.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
I appreciate you talking about this. So you can find this product, mountainlandsupply.com, or with your Mountain Land rep. You can find this video at youtube.com/mountainlandsupply. We're not hosting videos yet. youtube.com/mountainlandsupply. You can find this podcast at mountainlandsupply.com/SupplyWise, wherever you find your favorite podcast. Make sure you tune in each week to find out more about the products and services that make you SupplyWise.